Hey guys, happy Thursday. Today we are looking at lesson 15:4, drawing conclusions from graphs. Drawing conclusions just means when you read the graph, what do you see? Okay, like what information? So on page 819, there are some questions. I'm going to use our pictograph from yesterday and ask some of the same questions, but with this information instead, okay? So it says, what do you notice about the number of students who chose pink? Well, I noticed that we're still going by 10, and I counted 10, 20. I noticed that 20 students chose the color pink. And then there are some questions that are really tricky, kind of like the one from yesterday. Did fewer students pick the color green or blue? Well, fewer. I need to know what the word fewer means. Fewer means not as many or less, whichever you choose. So, which color was chosen? Which color has fewer students that chose it, green or blue? Well, green has 30, blue has 50. I know that 30 is less than 50, so green had fewer students. But then what if I said, how many fewer green than blue? Well, then I'm going to have to go to blue and find 50. And then I'm going to have to go to green and find 30. I'm going to be subtracting because I want to know what's the difference. And we know the difference is subtraction. So 50 minus 30 equals 20. So 20 fewer students chose green than blue. Let's see what some of the other questions look like. On which two colors did this have the same number of students? Well, if I look at all my numbers that I wrote out here beside it, maybe I'll circle them so they're a little easier to see. I see that red had 30, and I also see that green had 30. So red and green had the same number of students that chose that color. Did more students choose pink or purple? Well, pink has 20 and purple has 10. So more students chose pink. How many more? Well, I know that 20 students chose pink. I know that 10 students chose purple, and I'm going to subtract. So 10 more students chose pink than purple. Now, those are some really hard questions, and sometimes our brains just don't like them. But I want you to do your very best today on all of the questions and answering them, just so that your brain can be really thinking hard and you can be ready when you have to do graphs and charts in the next grade. Okay? Bye.